The topic we're covering in this video is actually very straightforward. What do you do when the result of an equation is wider than the calculated field? Or when you need that result to include HTML tags? Or span multiple lines? Since so many users ask us these questions, or variations of them, I put together this video to walk you through the solution step by step. Calculated fields display their results inside input tags. And input tags come with a few built-in limitations. They can't display multiple lines. They don't render HTML. So the real question becomes, how do we work around that? Is there a clean solution? The good news is yes, there is, and it's very simple. Use the calculated field strictly as a helper to perform the math, and then display the result in a different field that doesn't have those restrictions. To show you how this works, let's start with a practical example, a mortgage calculator. Our basic form lets the user enter the property price, the down payment, the loan term in years, the annual interest rate, and the start date of the mortgage. With that information, it calculates the monthly payment. But now we want to take this form to the next level, make it more professional, more informative, and show the user their full amortization schedule. To do that, we'll add a new calculated field and use the CALCULATEAMORTIZATION operation from the Financial Operations module. Let's see it in action. Just by inserting the operation and filling in its parameters, voila, we get a complete amortization table. But now we're facing the exact issues we mentioned earlier. The result is too long for the calculated field, it spans multiple lines, and it includes HTML. To fix this, we'll add an HTML content field to the form. Inside it, we'll place a div tag or any HTML tag and add a data-cff-field attribute with the name of the field whose value we want to display. In this case, that's the calculated field generating the amortization table. There's just one final step, hiding the calculated field, since it no longer needs to be visible. You can hide it simply by selecting the field and checking the Hide Field from Public Page option. And that's it. We now have a polished form that displays a full amortization table generated by a calculated field. To wrap up, whenever an equation produces a result that's too complex to show directly in a calculated field, you can use that field as a helper and display the final output in an HTML content field instead. All you need is an HTML tag with the data-cff-field attribute pointing to the field whose value you want to show.